Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a two-page layout for, this is actually in my Christmas album because it's from the Detroit Zoo. They do an amazing Christmas lights show at the holidays and we went to see it. So I guess you could use it for a zoo page if you don't get to Detroit to see their special zoo. So these are the photos I'm working with. These were all lit up. We line up and go at night. Okay, so I picked some zebra paper from this book. It's excuse me, Recollections, Animal Kingdom. I picked some zebra right there. And then I'm using this paper. I picked some this right here, pink and yellow, because of this. What I decided to do was to copy this photo onto my page. So first of all, I'm going to do my zebra borders. I'm putting a small one over on this side and a large one. Whoops. Let's get this straight. A large one over here. I can get these out of the way. Now, this zebra photo I'm going to put here. And these two photos are going here. These, what I wanted to do was copy this photo right here. So I did that by I cut the piece of pink and yellow paper to copy this, and I'm going to put that here and on this side as well. I embossed it, I guess, with this embossing folder. This is from Cricut way back. I hope you can see that, because it was just a little too plain, so I added that. I embossed it. And I decided to put a title, Detroit Zoo, above here. I'm lowering this a bit. And this photo can go up here. Keeping that simple. So what I decided copying that is I'm putting all these animals, silhouettes, along here. So I got the silhouettes from, I think it's called Animal Silhouettes. Now a camel, and then a tree, and of course a tall giraffe eating off the top of the tree. Cute. That's Detroit Zoo. I get that lined up. And then over on this side, I have an ostrich and a bear and a deer. And I'm thinking this page is done. Very simple page. All I did was a banner and a title. I triple matted all these photos, so if you like this page, the Design Space link will be posted below. You can copy it. Thanks for watching.